Let me show you how to create the most incredibly flavorful marble eggs using just your rice cooker. Start with perfectly hard-boiled eggs. The firm texture is crucial for absorbing all the incredible flavors we are about to add. Place them directly in your rice cooker pot. No special equipment needed. Now the seasoning, use half spoon of rice wine for saltiness, half teaspoon of dark wine for that beautiful mahogany color that penetrates deep into the eggs. Give everything a good shake. This coating ensures even flavor distribution from the very beginning. He is the game changer, an instant noodle seasoning packet that premix blend of spices and umami creates an instant flavor base. Then pour in iced tea. The carbonation and subtle sweetness work magic in tenderizing while adding unique depth. Set your rice cooker for 30 minutes and let the gentle, steady heat work its magic. The closed environment creates a perfect braising liquid that circulates around every egg, ensuring uniform flavor penetration. When you open that lid, the aroma will stop you in your tracks. That deep, rich color tells you everything. These are not just boiled eggs, they are transformed into something extraordinary. That first bite reveals layers of flavor, the initial sweetness from the tea, the savory depth from the seasonings, and the perfect fine yet tender texture. This is not just cooking, it is alchemy that turns humble ingredients into pure magic.